This episode of Backwoods Assassins is brought to you by Full Draw Outdoors, all your archery needs. Sure Temp Heating and Cooling. Treason Camouflage. Don't just blend, become. Firepower Industry, because 2 guns are better than 1. And East Coast Taxidermy.
Well, Sean seen a bird strutting in the field that we got permission to, so we went out and decided to try to roost it, and ended up finding where the hens roosted. So got him put to bed, and we're gonna try to get up in the morning and get after him, get the youngster a bird.
16th century conquistador, I think. They don't know how land found armor in my belly, passion out of machine revving tension, lashing out at machine revving tension, rushing by the machine revving tension. Morning broke out the backside of a truck stop.
Well, the birds ended up roosting right on the field edge. They weren't in the hardwoods like we planned on them to be. And so they flew into the middle of the field and strutted around and basically walked away. So we packed all our stuff up, we circled around them, and we ended up having one bird come off of his hens and work right in.
He's coming. Hear him gobbling? Hey, he's gonna come to the left side of this branch, bro. He's looking, don't move.
Blood upon the valley. Take this sword to kill I've done. Deliver me from worry. we can save. Oh my Lord, take this soul, lay me at the bottom of the river. The devil has come to carry me home, lay me at the bottom of the
Well, this bird came into the field strutting and gobbling, putting on an absolute show. And once he got in a little closer, felt like a little love was in the air. Things got a little weird.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on. Oh, come on. Woo. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's love, baby. Let's get it on. Sugar, let's get it on. Woo. We're all.
As soon as he sticks his head up. Take him whenever. Yeah!
Good shot, buddy. Good shot. Put it on safety. Put it on.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, yes.
Dude, I got the whole thing on video, bro. Dude. Good job, man. Got the whole thing on camera, dude.
Good shot, bro.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Dude.
Shit, look at them spurs. Look at that beard, bro.
Oh.
Sorry for my language, but I'm excited. Wow. Going on safety? Yeah.
Yeah,
Here, let me see.
I'll send you a picture of it.
Dude.
Thank you.
That's what it's about, man.
I'll send you a picture.
I
Oh,
don't even care
shit.
if I get a bird.
I
this
think I'm
year.
more excited than he is, dude. Dude, are you excited or what, bro?
Yeah.
That was the craziest.
Dude, that, bro.
I knew I heard him over there. I
What just
couldn't hear
happened
him.
is could not happen any more picture perfect, bro. Coming strutting, gobbling like that.
Couldn't be more perfect. Well, we had an awesome hunt. Got Buddy his first bird. I think we were a little more excited than he was, but up next we're gonna go to our regular season. It was a rough season for us, but got one kill on camera, so we'll come at you with that and come back with some more action. So we went down to camp the day before opening day, tried to roost some birds. It was like 45 degrees out, sunny, pretty nice. Woke up opening day and there was 3 inches of snow on the ground. It was like 20 degrees out, so that was a first time for me as a New York State turkey season opener, having snow on the ground. So real slow weekend. The birds weren't really talking. Overall, just didn't really have a good week. Fast forward about a week, we went out to Chewy's farm and we finally ran into some birds. Here it is.
I'll take the one all the way to the right.
Wait till they get real close.
Yeah, for sure. I only got a short gap I could shoot, about 10 yards to the right of the decoys.
Oh, they're running, girl. There's 5.
How close are they?
40. Still coming in hot. We're saying that we're out of shot. Count to 3.
Oh yeah, I see them. take it.
Good shit, my man.
Hell
I
yeah.
didn't see that one was on top.
You should be here, standing with your arm around me here, cutting up, cracking a cold beer, saying cheers. Hey y'all, it's sure been a good year. It's one of those moments that's got your name written all over it. Hogs down in the bog, y'all get the dogs. There's a big black razorback, get your gun off the rack, come on, y'all, let's kill a hog. Rooting up my corn crop,